little higher and not as rare, but it's still plain.